Amor has been a consistent Bantay Education scholar from her grade school years, and until now that she's set to enter college, she says the scholarship has given her reason to hope for a better future.
Bilang abused child, siguro maiisip nyo yung ibang tao hindi kayo naiintindihan. Pero isipin nyo na lang, ganyan may oportunidad para itama na yung mga mali, magkaroon ng edukasyon. Dapat po ginagamit nila yung oras nila, yung panahon nila sa tama.
For 10 years, 16-year-old Amor has been a scholar of Bantay Bata 163. Despite falling victim to abuse, she has kept to a positive attitude and remains driven and determined to reach her dreams.
Lagi ko sinasabi, magkaroon ng improvement sa sarili mo. Pagka meron na po tayo, makakatulong na rin po tayo sa ibang tao.
Amor knows she is at her best every time she pays tribute to those who truly love and help her and fulfills the promise she made since she became a Bantay Education scholar.
Naisip ko po na kung ano man po yung nakukuha ko, nararating, dapat po hindi po makukontento na sa ganun kagad. Dapat po nangangarap ka pa rin ng mas mataas. Mag-aaral po talaga ako mabuti. Sisikapin ko pong maging successful ako.